Hey, warm moment before the sound hits. This is the feeling you don't forget when the room suddenly breathes with clarity. RX-V6A. This one's for you if you've noticed subtle gaps in your home theater, if every film moment felt good but not alive, if your music made you nod politely instead of feeling it. Before we go deeper, take a second and check the current price and availability. Quality receivers like this don't sit quietly for long. You know exactly the moment I mean, the one where you realized your old setup was just playing back sound instead of bringing it to life. That slight flatness during explosions. That missing air around vocals. That disconnect between what you see and what you feel. That was the moment you knew you'd outgrown compromise. When you power on the RX-V6A for the first time, there's this instant sense of balance. Not dramatic or overblown, just right. Every channel folds in with precision. Dialogue becomes tangible. Bass has room to breathe. You don't just hear the score, you live in it. Once you experience that depth, regular audio feels like looking at a masterpiece through foggy glasses. Imagine a quiet evening where a movie doesn't just play, it unfolds around you. The rain sounds like it's pattering in the room, the crowd in the stadium feels like it's behind you, and every whisper carries meaning. Music feels richer, rhythms anchor you, highs sparkle without sharpness, and subtle details you miss before suddenly emerge. That's emotional depth, not just what's in channels. If you're thinking maybe this is more than I need, notice something. Every speaker setup you've circled back to only matters if the receiver can honor it. You've lived with muddy mids and recessed highs long enough. That's loss aversion talking. You don't want to go back there once you know what you're missing. One surprise benefit? The way this receiver stays composed at high volumes. There's no strain, no distortion creeping in when the intensity climbs. That's confidence built into the engineering. Your system feels calm and controlled, even in the loudest scenes. That steadiness becomes part of your viewing or listening rhythm. Your system doesn't fight you, it supports you. You feel the richness in every scene, you sense presence, not just volume. You enjoy music with emotional detail, you connect more deeply with your media, you take pride in a setup that actually performs. It's not fragile in power, it's not limited to movies. At some point, comparing specs becomes noise. You've chased gear that almost feels right. You know the difference between average and immersive because you've lived with both. You know what it feels like when sound matches what's happening on screen or in your favorite tracks. So if you're ready to stop settling for playback and start living in the moment every time you press play, check the current pricing in stock, and make the move. RX-V6A isn't just another receiver, it's your next level of sound.